The Aroma 5 QT, two-tier food steamer by Aroma Housewares, is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for a wide range of culinary needs. Crafted with a combination of stainless steel and plastic materials, this steamer boasts a sleek black exterior that complements any kitchen decor. Weighing just 3.1 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver. What sets this food steamer apart is its generous 5-quart capacity, providing ample space to steam a variety of ingredients simultaneously. The two-tier design allows for multitasking, enabling you to cook different foods on each tier for added convenience. Whether you're steaming vegetables, fish dumplings, or grains, this steamer delivers consistent results every time. Equipped with a user-friendly interface, the Aroma Food Steamer features intuitive controls that make operation a breeze. The steamer ensures even heat distribution, preserving the nutrients and flavors of your ingredients while promoting a healthier cooking method.
The Vivor electric food steamer is a reliable kitchen appliance that combines efficiency with convenience. Made from high-quality, transparent PP material by the trusted brand Vivor, this product measures 12.6 inches in length, 9.4 inches in width, and 16.1 inches in height, weighing just 4.2 pounds. From a practical standpoint, this food steamer offers a seamless cooking experience. Its transparent design allows users to monitor the cooking process easily. The use of PP material ensures durability and food safety. With its compact dimensions and lightweight construction, this steamer is ideal for various kitchen setups, perfect for individuals and families alike. One notable aspect of the Vivor electric food steamer is its ease of use. The intuitive design and simple controls make it accessible to all users. Whether you are a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this steamer streamlines the cooking process, allowing you to prepare healthy and delicious meals effortlessly.
The Elite Gourmet EST 252.5-quart electric compact mini food vegetable steamer is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines efficiency with convenience. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this steamer boasts a sleek stainless steel and black color scheme that will complement any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 8L into 8W into 7.75 H, this compact steamer makes efficient use of counter space while offering a generous capacity of 2.5 liters, whether you're steaming vegetables, fish dumplings, or grains. This appliance provides a healthy cooking option that retains nutrients and flavors. The Elite Gourmet brand is known for its commitment to quality and innovation, and this steamer is no exception. Its easy-to-use design makes steaming a breeze for beginners and experienced home cooks alike. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning.
The Cozy Max electric food steamer for cooking is a reliable kitchen appliance that combines convenience and efficiency in one sleek design. With its solid build quality, this steamer is made of durable plastic material and is presented in an elegant white color that will complement any kitchen decor. Measuring at 13.82 inches in length, 10.83 inches in width, and 15.94 inches in height, the Cozy Max electric food steamer offers ample space for steaming various ingredients simultaneously. At just 5.1 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move around, making it ideal for both daily use and storing away when not in use. This steamer by Cozy Max stands out for its user-friendly design, providing straightforward controls that allow for easy operation. Whether you are steaming vegetables, fish, or rice, this appliance excels in producing evenly cooked and nutritious meals in a hassle-free manner. Overall, the Cozy Max electric food steamer for cooking is a fantastic addition to any kitchen.
The Joyce Chen two-tier bamboo steamer baskets offer a convenient and efficient way to steam food to perfection. Constructed from natural bamboo, these steamer baskets by Joyce Chen are not only eco-friendly, but also durable and well-crafted. With a generous size of 10 inches in diameter, these steamer baskets provide ample space for steaming a variety of foods at once. The two-tier design allows you to steam different types of food simultaneously, saving time and energy in the kitchen. The product dimensions of 10L into 10W into 6H make these baskets compact yet spacious, perfect for serving small to medium-sized meals. Weighing only 2 pounds, they are lightweight and easy to handle, ideal for daily use. Whether you are steaming vegetables, dumplings, fish, or poultry, The Joyce Chen two-tier bamboo steamer baskets ensure even and gentle steam circulation to preserve nutrients and flavors. The natural bamboo material adds a touch of elegance to your kitchenware collection while providing